Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 9, that is volcanoes, earthquake and tsunami. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about the natural disasters and calamities, and in the yesterday's video lecture we had discussed about volcanoes. One small word I missed last day, that is hot springs or geysers. The underground water or the water which is collected inside the earth is heated because of the volcano and comes out on the surface, and these are called hot springs or geysers. These are called hot springs or geysers. In Rajgir there is a hot spring and people used to enjoy it. So class, now today we are going to discuss about earthquake. Today we are going to discuss about earthquake. So I told you a story about earth, that is there was a big bang and the earth or universe was start expanding. Then there was a blast in the sun and our solar system was created. So after this blast, the earth becomes cooled down. The part of sun which is today earth is gradually started to cool down. So after cooling down of that, on the surface of earth there are lands will be created, and when it is created at the very first time, that is called Pangea. That is called Pangea. One big piece of land on the surface or land surface, and it is surrounded by water or oceans. One big piece of land. But due to the internal movement of the earth, this big piece of land will be separated and broken again and again, and the continents or the big and large islands and small islands are created. So these islands are moving on the surface of the earth, and these pieces of island are called tectonic plates. So these tectonic plates or large pieces of earth's crust gradually moving towards each other or away from each other. So when they come close to each other, they start hitting each other, and this creates a huge shock waves. This creates a huge shock wave, and because of that there is a trembling on the surface of earth. These tectonic plates come each other and they hit each other, and they create a huge amount of shock waves, and this causes the earthquake. So sometimes the edges which are called fault lines can get stuck. So these edges of these tectonic plates are called fault lines. These edges of the tectonic plates are called fault lines. These edges come closer and they stuck with each other or they hit each other, and a shock wave produce, and this causes the earthquake, and this damage a lot of property and life on the surface of earth. Now here there are two words which we have to understand, that is focus and epicenter. That is focus and epicenter. So the point under the earth or under the ground where or from where this shock waves will create, the vibrations originate. This shock waves will create or the vibrations originate is called the focus. It's called the focus. And the point on the Earth's surface above the focus. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter. So there are 2 points, focus and epicenter. Focus is the point where the vibration generate originally, and it from there the shock waves generate and reach on the Earth's surface. So that point just above the focus is called epicenter. So class, these are the important points of earthquake. So these earthquakes occur on the because of the tectonic plates on the Earth's surface, and I hope you are able to understand about tectonic plates. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.